from this to this. Now let me show you a simple guide on how to shave your brow like a pro using razor. First thing, brush your brow upward. Use a brand new razor. Drag your skin. The reason why we are doing this, so you don't cut yourself, and make sure that your blade is this way. Don't hold your blade like this. Hold your blade like this. Okay? Drag your skin to make it tight, and then start from here. You're only going to remove the hairs from this area. Take off little hairs at a time. After taking off hairs from the lower parts, brush it downward. Hold your razor flat. Try to create a shape. Give your brow a shape. You can see what I'm doing in the video. Hold it very well and make sure that your blade is flat so you don't cut yourself, and go gently. Don't be in a rush. Okay? Once you're done giving your brow a shape, the next thing you're going to do is to take off the little hairs below. Next, brush your brow upward. Drag the skin. You are removing hairs from here. Very little hairs at a time. Do not hold your razor like this. Rather, hold it like this, flat. Drag your skin to make it tight. So when next you're shaving your brow, all you need to do is to take hairs from this side and from this side. Trim little from the upper parts, and that is all you have to do. If you want to see how I achieve these beautiful cat eyelashes, the link is in the description box. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more beautiful tutorials like this. See you guys in my next one. Bye.